If you want to enable power menu by using the power button on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and choose additional settings. After that, we can open the gesture shortcuts, and in here you should be able to find the power off option. Now in here we can switch from the power and volume up buttons to just the power button. So by default you can press and hold the power button for 3 seconds in order to activate the power menu. But what you can also do is you can go to Launch Digital Assistant in the gesture shortcuts in order to deactivate the option. So after that you can only, well, you have to hold only for half a second to activate the power menu. So essentially we turn off Gemini or Google Assistant to be able to hold the power button just for half a second to activate the power menu. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.